Hey friends, welcome to another episode of SMARTDrive. This is your host Vishwajit. In today's episode, we are going to deep clean our car, and we have a special proven product, that is just a leather cleaner. As you can see the condition of the bottle, we have used it almost completely. There is only a chunk remaining, and still we want to use it for our Dashera cleaning. As you can see, these are the spots by some rough usage, and this is the premium leather, comes with the top end version of Ciaz RS. We are intending to clean it to get it a new look, so let's see how it helps. So for this we just need a leather cleaner bottle and a microfiber cloth. Let me show you. One fine washed microfiber cloth will do the job, and let's start to clean the seat. Please note, this is a 6-year-old leather seat, and now we are just checking it well to mix up the chemicals properly and have the best feel of this cleaner solution. So first and foremost thing, you need to smudge it up properly, because there are some grooves. And you can see this solution is quite whitish and mixed with the dirt available in the grooves. So first and foremost thing, you need to get these small holes which are more prone to have capture the dirt. The most fascinating thing of this cleaner is that you need to just wipe with the microfiber cloth once you are done with the cleaning, and you can see dirt gone. It's a cleaner matte look with no residue remaining. In case you feel bit sticky, you can wipe it out with the wet cloth, and that will do the job. As you can see, now this shine will remain up to 2 weeks. Let's try this one more time. As you can see, this is quite glossy. This is soapy solution, so it gets out all the oils and dirt. And once you are done with the wiping, as this is the vertical part, so you need not to worry more. And here you gained the matte look. There is one suggestion that you should not wait too much to get this solution dried up over the leather seat. And there is another condition, that if the seats are hot, where you kept it for parking on the open space for the longer time in the afternoon or evening sessions, you need not to do this process when the seats are hot. I know that I am not good at wiping sequences and flows, but still it works. So friends, we have successfully cleaned our car you can see, everything is clean. So we definitely recommend you Zesta leather cleaner for cleaning up your seats very fast, and it smells very good, so there is no worry about harsh flavors or scents inside the car. The most important part is the dirt captured in these stitch lines, and this is the main hassle you get every time you do deep internal cleaning. So let's see how it works on these leather stitches. The white spots are nothing but the dirt marks available. Just need to spray 2 or 3 times and need to just press it thoroughly. As you can see, stitching is our main target. So what we'll do, just push it up. The soapy solution will get inside the threads and the sockets and get the dirt out of it. And now let's have a good look whether you are getting clean stitching or not. So friends, we are having our stitchy back look once more time, and you can see this is after cleaning with Zesta cleaner, and this is before cleaning. So as you can clearly see, the dirt marks didn't went up. So this is before cleaning, this is after cleaning. As you can clearly see, the threads are looking a bit different due to dirt here and here. You can see the soapy solution is doing its job. Even if the dirt is quite old, some of the car owners may feel itchy due to the allergic properties of those dirt. As you can clearly see, wipe like new one. So this is after cleaning and this is before cleaning. As you can clearly see, you got a premium matte look. This is not giving any glow of the flash of this camera, but as you move upwards you can see the flash. So it gives premium black look to the leather as well. So this is quite a recommended product. Let's clean the seat. Now you can see the difference. This is the light coming from this flash. Let me show you how the matte look comes into picture when you apply. Now please let me tell you, this is the cleaner and it does its job well. Last up to 2 weeks, and then you can repeat the process further weekends. Now as you can clearly see, the glow has been changed a bit. And now you have a premium look. Let's try this one more time. As you can clearly see, the glow is bit gone, and now you just see the flash over here. So what I said to you is completely correct, because this gives your leather seats a premium finish matte look, in just few seconds. Now it's time to clean the most vulnerable leather part of the car, that is the gear knob cover. And as you can see, it has oil marks, dirt and few wrinkles. So let me clean this first. As you can see, it's got its premium look back again, and this is the magic of the leather cleaner. As you can see, these have oil marks and smudges and bit dirt available, so let's clean it up. Now let's see how it looks after cleaning up with the Zesta leather cleaner. So this is just after cleaning with the leather cleaner, and you can clearly see there is no smudges, oil marks or any dirt available. Friends, this is my review after 2 years consistently using the Zesta products, and leather cleaner is one of the finest product they have. Thanks for watching. This is Vishwesh signing off from SMARTDrive.